today's topic is that how to get the job opportunity. First of all, how to get the job. As friends, we all know that this is the post-corona period, and all the candidates who are seeking a job, whether no matter whether they are fresher or experienced, there is a very good competition, very big competition in the market. Okay, so it's up to you to avail the job opportunity, and within a given time, within a limited time. So this is a really big challenge for us, for a candidate to get a suitable job in the market. uh, Friends, today I am giving few tips. So as per my experience, I am giving you few tips because being HR person, uh, I am an interviewer also. I've been interviewer and I'm still an interviewer because I used to take interview uh, for so many companies. So I'm sharing my experience that how you may get a job and how can you be successful in getting a job within the stipulated time. So here, friends, I'm giving you few tips. Number one, planning. First of all, we must know that what are the processes which are involved to be a successful to get a suitable job in the market. Yes, first of all, make this uh, you know uh, this thing clear in your mind that you must be aware about the processes. You, because you must not skip any of these steps of that process. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about the process. Number one, make planning. It's me only who can make planning for myself, that I'm planning to get a job of HR executive in a manufacturing unit in Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and I am expecting this much salary as per of my qualification and experience. Okay, at the prevailing market rate. Okay, so I have made this planning, but mind it, when you are making planning for yourself, there must be a time scale to achieve the target. Okay, so I am planning that I must get the job within the period of 15 days. I know this is not a hard and fast practice or rule. Maybe I may get job, I may get job after 1 month, 1.5 month. But if I do plan for 15 days, maybe I may get job tomorrow or within a week. But during that period, I will be a regular chaser of my objective, of my goal to get a job. Okay, if I will make planning for 1 month, 2 month, I will sit down many times. It will break my steps. It will create hurdle on my way. Okay, it will break my, uh, you know, idea or ambition to get a job. So, first of all, plan about your time scale to get a job according to your own choice, own comfort. Next is to prepare your CV. If you are fresher, you need to prepare for the first time. If you are an experienced candidate, you need to update or redesign your CV accordingly. Mind it, CV plays an important role to represent you fully in the job market in regards to designation, salary package, and the uh, nature of work you are going to perform, whether you are fit or not. Because CV is biodata screening in the very first step in the process of job recruitment and selection. Okay, so you need to clear this step. If your CV is good, definitely, or impressive, or your CV must tell about it, that who you are, your capability to do all the jobs and works or job profile which are already mentioned in the related advertisement of a particular job vacancy. Okay, next is what? You have prepared your CV, then get registered yourself with available websites. In the market, there are A, B, C available websites, job sites. You may get yourself registered while fulfilling all the informations and submitting your CV as well. Right? Next step is that you must make this clear among your references that you are intended to have a job of this and this position and this salary and this location. Means you are searching a job for this designation at the rate of this salary. If in case, if any job vacancy comes into the knowledge of any reference, he or she may contact you accordingly. There is a vacancy and if you are interested, you may apply. So maybe you may get a chance. So try to be aware about the your references, how to communicate with your references, and your references are aware about it that you are searching a job. Next is what? If you do you register yourself with any job site, there is daily job mails which usually or regularly you receive in your email inbox. So apply job as per your choice, and if in case any reply comes, then be a regular follower. Suppose one day, today I am applying a job, tomorrow I will receive an information there is a skill check online test, you have to apply for it. Yes, you need to apply for this. Maybe if you will clear it, you will be called for either for the telephonic interview or the face-to-face interview. I want to say that you must be a follower. Okay, till then you get the job. You must be a chaser. Okay, next is what? There are few newspapers where on weekly basis or on holiday there are vacancies which are published. So as per your choice, you may apply the job accordingly. No matter for the public sector or the private sector, you may apply. Okay, next is what? Uh, you must enhance your written, verbal, and communication skill, because till then you appear for the face to face interview, and only your drafting skill and your verbal communication, which makes a recruiter or an interviewer aware about that you are the best fit candidate of a job, of this job position or for this work, and you should be called for the face to face interview. So for this purpose, your written and your communication skills should be good enough. Okay, next is what? I have seen many times when we do HR do makes the recruitment and selections process final final formality. What is the final formality? Is the joining formality. Friends, you know very well that at the time of joining, you need to submit few documents for your educational qualification, professional educational qualification or experience, or your ID proof, according to your details which you have already mentioned in your CV. Okay, if you are failed to submit any of the documents, then your selection is subject to the cancellation. Your recruitment is subject to the cancellation. Your joining is subject to the cancellation. So friends, please note it down that you must carry all your documents photocopy, but at the time of, if your company asks the original copies, okay, no matter, you may carry original copy along with the photocopy set, and please check it carefully because you need to submit all the documents at the time of joining. So friends, I have told you, given you few tips that how to get the job within a stipulated time and what are the steps should be taken by you and yourself. But please note, be positive, and if don't afraid from the failure, because every failure teaches you so many points by which you may be a more successful person in future. Hello friends, as today's topic is about how to get the job. As friends, you know very well, this is the post corona period, and really there is a big and huge competition in the market to for all the job seekers, no matter whether they are fresher or experienced, to get a suitable job. So as per my experience, I am suggesting you or giving you some tips. I hope that if you will follow these tips, definitely you will be able to get a suitable job within a little span of time. But for this, you have to be always positive, regular, and conscious, aware about all the related changes and activities. Right? So, friends, let's begin. First of all, when we do decide to have a job, we must make a planning. Planning includes, what is the process? Number one is the planning. It's me only who may decide that for what for which field I wish to go as per my qualification, knowledge and skills. Okay, if I am experienced, it's okay. So suppose I am HR professional, I am seeking a job for this HR manager position. My preferred location is suppose Mumbai, Nagpur, and my expected salary is suppose this, and I am making planning that I must achieve this target of getting a job within the period of 15 days or 20 days. There is no hard and fast rule that definitely I will get a job within 15 or 20 days. I know very well if I will make my target for 15 or 20 days, I shall be able to get a job within 1.5 month. Okay, minimum. That is the minimum time. But maybe I may get the job within 2-3 days, within 1 week. It depends. But while making planning, time scale should be well decided that within this period I will achieve this target of getting my job. Okay, right? Next is the CV preparation. Yes, if you are a fresher, you have to prepare your CV. If you are an experienced candidate, you need to update your CV or redesign your CV accordingly. Next is make efforts to enhance your written and verbal communication skill. Yes, because the process begins with like screening of shortlisting of your CV among 100 or 1000 of CVs. Next is the telephonic round of interview if this process is being done by any company. Next is the face-to-face interview. Yes, this is the interview and very important step. If you clear it, definitely you get a job. You are successful to get a job. Next is the joining document submission. Many times I have seen if I do as I do work in HR field, so a good and perfect candidate at the last stage of recruitment and selection process, there is a requirement of submitting of few docs. But at that time, if he or she is fails to submit the documents, maybe it's related to education or experience as he or she mentioned in her CV, his or her CV, but they are failed to submit. Their selection is subject to cancellation. So please be aware of it. Be careful about it. That all the educational and experience details which you have described in your CV, mentioned on your CV, you must maintain documents, experience certificates, or educational certificates copy, mark sheet copy accordingly. Okay, because you need to submit all these documents to HR department on the day of your joining. Okay, so this is the processes how to get a job. Now what you need to do, what are the steps to be taken by you? Okay, suppose if I know these are the processes, then what steps I must take? Yes, number one, preparation and updation of CV. I will prepare or update or redesign my CV accordingly. Okay, this is a very important, very important steps which is required to be taken by each and every candidate. Please make your CV carefully. Next, register yourself with available job sites. Yes, there are many job sites which are available in the market, so you may register yourself in order to get a good job, suitable job as per, and the details should be submitted as per your experience, qualification and skills. Next, regular daily follow-up of daily job mails. When you get registered yourself with any job site on regular or daily basis, you used to have receive email regarding the job requirements. Okay, information. So you may apply according to your choice, and in case you get any response, you should be a regular follow-up, a regular follower till then you get the job. Okay, next is apply for the suitable job via newspaper. On many newspapers we have, there is a job requirement which comes on which is published on weekly basis or on holiday. So accordingly you may, if you see any suitable position as per your choice whether to apply for private or public sector, you may apply accordingly. Be careful, be ready for telephonic round of interview. If there is a one step which many companies they are doing this practice mainly due to corona itself, that they used to take their first round by the telephonic interview. For this you need to be ready, or you need to be quite smart to clear this telephonic round of interview while preparing yourself the mock interview while sitting alone into your home. Then you must be ready to take the face-to-face interview. You must wear the means good dress, formal dress. Your written and communication skill may be checked, and you must be ready to reply all those questions carefully which are being asked in the interview. But apart from all these processes, the very much required process is this, that the details of job requirements which is given in the advertisement of the vacancy for which you are going to appear in the interview, you must go through all those points carefully, and you must have knowledge and skills to perform all the job related activities which are being performed by you if in case you are selected. Because by your interview, a interviewer may judge well whether you are able to work on such a position, on this set position for which you are here, and you will be able to perform your job accordingly in a good manner, or you will give some result to the company. One more thing, you must stay in that company for long. That should be the impression during your round of interview, that you are interested to work for long. If I do talk about the personal issues, apart from the personal issues, that is the outlook of each and every person. But if you want your professional career smoothly, or you want to go ahead in your professional life, it's very necessary that you must be a employee who stays in a company for some long period. Okay, so friends, here are the few advices which are really I'm trying to give you at my level best, so that if you are seeking a job, definitely you will get some useful information by watching my video. Friends, if you do like my labor, so please subscribe my channel, else you may share or like it. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.